Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Tata Investment Limited. Actually, the stock is for long term only, and in short term it may give returns, but the stock is very good for long term. So I have found a breakout trade right now. It's for short term, but the stock is very cheap at the current valuation, and the book value is around 3000 rupees. The stock is trading near 1000 rupees. So very easily, the stock may double its value within a matter of 6 months. So the stock has potential to give a multi-bagger return also. So now let's analyze the stock. And firstly, the stock is with a clear balance sheet. First thing to be considered before going long, the balance sheet is clear and technicals is very strong for the stock. So both are very good. So it will give a good return for its investors. So let me analyze the stock on technical basis. Before analyzing, we should understand the stock momentum and natures, because that will give us an idea how to react and when to react in the stock. So the stock on listing was at the price range of 280 and made a fantastic up move till the price range of 747 800 price range. After that, the stock fell to the price range of 229. It's almost a roller coaster momentum. Somehow the stock bottomed here at the price range of 250 and once again started moving higher, and the stock was on the same range for more than 4 years, and the stock once again took its momentum on higher side. The stock was on the same range till 2016. The stock just gave a breakout on 2017. So the 2017's breakout took a retracement on 2020. So currently the stock gave a long term breakout and a retracement. So one can go long in the stock, and it's basically a Tata company. So one can invest in Tata company. The management of any Tata company is very good, so it's good stock to go long right now. Let me draw the demand and supply zones in the monthly chart. This can be taken as the demand zone right now, but it was a supply zone till 2016, and the breakouts changed the entire theme. Now after a good breakout, the stock took a retracement on COVID low, and now the stock is very good to go long because the stock made a small range here. So it's a good sign that buyers are pulling the price high even though the sellers are pushing down. The sellers are failed to maintain price in lower levels. So buyers are dominating the stock. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. Before moving to the weekly chart, make sure you join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description to get the regular updates on the stock ideas published. And and this is the weekly chart. Let me clear all this. Um, so look how the chart is. The chart is very clear that the signs show the stock is very bullish because the stock was on the same range since 2017. The 2017 range was broken now after December month. So it's a good breakout, and look at the retracement done with very small and good candles, and this is a sign of bullish. And the stock also took a previous 52-week high. Right now it's trading above the previous 52-week high, so it's good to go long in the stock, and every signs are showing that the stock is very good for going long, and the prices are not at all falling. So this shows a strong buyers are present in the stock. So one can take entry above the price range of 1200 can be taken as the entry, because look at the big candle here, big red candle. So one can take the top of the big red candle as the entry, and one can take the price range below 950 as the stop loss for the stock. So one should not place stop loss in the stocks because the stock have good financials and book value is around 3000. The stock is trading around 1100. So every signs are looks bullish. So no, just hold if the stock comes below 950 also, so that you will get a good returns in future. The stock is basically for long term, and for short term gains also it's good, but don't sell in panic. And now let's move to the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. So in the daily chart, everything is bullish, so one can go long in the stock once the price is above the price range of 1200. So 1200 can be taken as an entry for the stock. For the very short term, one can take entry above the price range of 1200 and place target around 1300, and the short term target is around 1428. 1428 is around 20% upside from the price of entry, so one can take entry above the price range of 1200 and short term target is around 1430. And for the long run, kindly use 200-day exponential moving average and use 50-day moving average to add positions on pullbacks, and 200-day moving average will help you to find the trend. Currently the stock is about 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average. Whenever the stock touches the 50-day moving average, make some pullback investments, and if the stock cuts the 200-day exponential moving average, then we should exit the stock. So that's all for today. So I hope that the content is very useful, and finally, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.